everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn daily life sentences and every sentences repeat after me. Even though I was extremely tired after work, I still decided to practice my English because consistency matters more than motivation. When you stop worrying about making mistakes while speaking English, that's exactly the moment when your fluency starts improving. I used to think that my English was very weak, but now I realize that I just needed the right practice and daily exposure. If you keep waiting for the perfect time to start speaking English, you will end up waiting forever. The more you listen to natural English conversation, the more confident you become while speaking. Many people understand English very well, but they struggle when it comes to speaking fluently. I am not afraid of speaking wrong English anymore because I know mistakes are part of the learning process. Whenever I feel confused while forming a sentence, I try to think in simple English instead of translating from Hindi. It takes time to build fluency, but once you stay consistent, the result will definitely surprise you. Most learners quit too early because they expect quick results without putting in enough effort. I started improving my English the day I stopped feeling embarrassed about my accent. Speaking English daily, even for a few minutes, can change your confidence level completely. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, I focus more on using English in real life situations. The fear of being judged often stops people from expressing themselves in English. Once you start enjoying the process of learning English, improvement becomes much faster. I may not speak perfect English yet, but I am definitely better than I was last year. Confidence in English does not come from knowing everything. It comes from using what you already know. People who practice English daily, even imperfectly, improve faster than those who don't practice at all. Every time you speak English, despite feeling nervous, you take one step closer to fluency. Learning English is not about sounding like a native speaker. It's about expressing your thoughts clearly. So now, translate into English on comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for next spoken learning videos.